What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Rich Nice back once again. So today we got a product in the mail. It's going to go to the remote start that we did in the earlier video. I'll make sure that I link that down in the description below or up here somewhere. Who knows? Anyway, this works with our Fortin remote start. And it should be plug and play. So inside the box, you have your scan for your instructions right here. You have some instructions. And then you have a little package. Some more instructions. So let's put this to the side. So inside the bag we have the MyCar module itself. And in here we have several different harnesses. So this can be used on multiple platforms. Crime Stopper. Anyway, inside the bag you have multiple harnesses which you can use on different alarm systems such as Crime Stopper, I'm sure Viper, and a couple other ones. So inside the bag again, these are your different harnesses. It comes with its harness itself. It does have a red wire that you're supposed to hook to constant power, yellow wire that you're supposed to hook to your ignition, and then your black wire that hooks to your ground. I don't think we need those because once you plug this into the Fortin, you'll use the clip, and I'll show you when we get out there, but there's a extra plug that has a clip on it that you'll plug in here, and that's pretty much it. So we won't need this cable. We only need this one, which is the harness LLRS01. So let's go out to the car. Alright, YouTube, we have our harness from our Fortin right here. Here's a clip that I was talking about. Has a little clip on it. It just plugs into our MyCar. As you can see, it's blinking red and green, which means it's looking for a cell phone signal. Once it finds one, it will turn solid green. As you can see, it just turned solid green. So now I'll show you how to program it. So to program it, you unplug the black plug from your 4-pin, which is this one right here. You're going to press the button right here until these lights right here turn red and blue. Again, red and blue. So we're going to hold the button. We're going to plug our 4-pin back in. And we're going to release it when it turns red and blue, just like that. Then we're going to hold it again until the lights come back on. All right, so now that you see the lights are on, we're going to release it, and you see that there is a yellow light in the middle. So from there, we're going to turn the vehicle on to the run position, and then it will flash to let you know that the MyCar has been programmed. Programmed. We're going to go to our app on our phone. So it's called MyCar Controls. I'm going to tap that. Of course, you got to reset this up because I set it up earlier, but it's 4 digits. So give me a minute to set this up. All right, YouTube. So what we've done is we've programmed the Fortin to the MyCar. On this MyCar, the green is your cellular signal. The red is satellite or GPS signals. So you can be able to locate your car from the app. So what we'll do now is we'll turn the car on, and you should see in between the red and the blue should be a yellow light. And then the red and the blue light should flicker real quick. Oh, it says the key is not in. So I'm going to put the key back in the car. All right, now, you see the light come on? See them flicker? And then they went out. So, the MyCar is now programmed. All right, so we got it set up. As you can see, we got the car in there. It has a picture of the car. You can name it whatever. Down at the bottom, you have your remote start, your lock, your cancel remote start, your unlock. Then you'll have a timer. Normally it's set for about 15 minutes. It'll have the temperature. And then you can add stuff like trunk release and all that good stuff. So let's close the door and see if this thing works. So I'm gonna go here. All right, YouTube, we're gonna go to MyCar. You can see right there. We're going to hit the remote start button. As you can see, it turned blue. And then the car will start up. It takes about 15-20 seconds, as you can see. Then you can unlock the doors. You can lock the doors. It also has the timer right here. You get I know it says 33, but you only get 15 minutes. So it gives you your battery, and then it tells you if your doors are unlocked. And of course down here you have, if you want to do like a trunk release and all that good stuff, you can put all that down here, which we didn't. And you can load all this stuff up at the website when you plug your module in and tune it that way. So overall, it's a pretty easy project. I can't complain. Turn it off. You also have GPS, so you'll know exactly where your car is, all that good stuff. This will allow you to start your car from anywhere in the world. As long as you have a signal, your car will start. So, good time. As always, thank you for liking, subscribe. We'll be on to the next project. Not sure what it's going to be, but it will be something. You can guarantee that. Thanks again. One love. Peace.